3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. What I'm going to do today is replace the shell on my Game Boy Color with a replacement shell, which also includes new buttons, switches, new front screen, new decals, and it also came with the tools to do it. So here's the Game Boy Color where I'm going to do the swap on. As you can see, it's seen better days. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the old electrical tape, the old classic tape trick, as most people use the battery covers, and then I'm going to start by removing all the screws on the back of the cover. So the electrical tape's removed, so you can see there's two screws there, screw there, there, and two on that side. So next step, I'm going to remove those screws. So the back cover's been removed, so I don't need that anymore. And I need to remove screw there, and a screw right there. Looks like it may have had some screws there at one time there and on the other side, but they've been removed. And then I have to remove this ribbon cable by pushing up on this tab, and then the ribbon cable just goes out that way, and that's for your connection to your monitor. Alright, so the screws have been taken out. Next thing you're going to have to do is peel the old display off of the old front bezel, and you're going to actually have to install the new buttons in the new display, or new front screen. There's the new buttons. There's what the other side of the Game Boy looks like. That's your speaker right there. That's what the screen looks like when it's taken out. So next thing to do is to put it in the new case, push down firmly because it will stick a little bit, and then to put in all the new buttons, which I already did, and then I'll put in the circuit board. Alright, so I got the 3 screws in down at the bottom end, and I also put the missing screws in at the top, that one and right there. Got the ribbon cable in, got the new cover for the 2 top lights, and the new power switch. So the next step is to put the new backplate on. Alright, so here's the Game Boy Color with the new case installed. Turn it over. The new decal and Super Mario Land installed. Let's give her a try there. Make sure the buttons work here. And there she goes. So it's working. It's a nice cheap upgrade for about $15 Canadian. Anyways guys, if you liked the video, you may want to consider subscribing and hitting that thumbs up button. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care.